In this video, we will see how to save electricity at home or how to reduce electricity bill. This chart shows some electrical appliances and their wattage. AC has approximately 1500 to 2500 watt power and the geyser has 3000 watt power approximately. This chart shows that tube light or bulb or LED has lesser power consumption, that is 10 to 100 watt approximately. Now we know that one AC is of 1500 to 2500 watts. That means if AC is running 8 hours per day, then electricity bill will be 75 rupees per day and 2200 to 2300 per month. Using geyser and microwave for 1 plus 1 hour per day, then electricity bill will be 500 per month. We know that electric or steam iron consumes more electricity than normal iron. Fridge is an electric appliance which we have to keep on for 24 hours. But we don't think about power saving in fridge while buying it, or if it has power saving mode, its power consumption or wattage and its compressor to consume less power. So here I am going to share some tricks to down electricity bill. First one is always set temperature of AC to 21 to 22 degree. This will save 600 rupees per month in your electricity bill. Second, clean the AC filter monthly twice. Because if it has dust particles on the filter, then cooling of AC decreases. Clean filter of AC gives cooling at 22 degree is same for dusty filter of AC cooling at 16 degree. Now the question is how to clean the AC filter at home. Then there are 3 easy steps to clean the filter. Step 1. Switch off the unit. Step 2. Pull the front grill to open and take out the filter. Step 3. Wash the filter with a brush and running water. Dry it under the sun and place it back. Next trick to down the electricity bill is if you have energy saving mode on AC, then you should have to keep this on regularly. Then it reduces 20 to 25% electricity bill. Next trick is window inverter type AC has low power consumption than split AC. So use window inverter type AC as possible. Next tip is use LEDs to save electricity. If you have normal bulbs, then replace it with LED lights or bulbs. LED bulbs consume 90% less power and reduce your bill to 25 to 30 rupees per month. Next one is use energy efficient appliances. When you are going to buy electric appliance, then you must see the star rating on it. They are costly, but it reduces 300 rupees per month. That means you can save 3500 to 3600 per year. Now we are going to see regularly used appliance fridge. In the fridge knob, it has 3 options: high cooling, low cooling and medium cooling. Then my advice is to keep the knob on low cooling always and place the fridge 2.5 to 3 inch from the wall so that it emits the heat easily and maintains cooling properly. Then last tip is, if possible, use LPG or PNG gas instead of induction, microwave and electric kettle. And most important, to make habit to switch off the lights or fans or other electric appliances while they are not in use. So these are some tips and advices to low power consumption and save energy as well as money. Thank you.